Being able to pilot an airplane that flies through the skies is a dream of many people. However, it's also very expensive and it's very difficult to accomplish. But with paper airplanes, you can pilot a plane on your very own, just with a piece of paper and some scissors. But how do you make a paper airplane? In this speech, I will show you the folds, cuts, and creases you need to make this turn into this. First, you need an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be new paper. For this video, I'm using an old sheet of paper. It's a very good use of old paper. First, you're going to fold the right side to the left side so that there is a vertical line in the middle of the paper. This line will act as a reference point for later steps. Next, once you've unfolded the paper, take the right corner and the left corner and fold down to create two triangles along the crease. Try to get these triangles as close to the crease as possible. The more accuracy that you have, the better that your plane will be. Next, we're going to fold this portion of the paper down over on this line created by the triangles and crease. Once again, we're going to take the bottom right corner and the bottom left corner now and make triangles along the slight crease. Maybe you can see it. These triangles will nearly be at the tip of this new triangle that you formed by folding down the paper. Again, the better your accuracy, the better your plane. Now you can start to see a plane forming. So here, we're going to take this side, or the right side, fold it in so it meets the other side. Crease. And now we form our wings. Choose a point between the tip and the base, about 2/3 way. We'll say this. Pull the flap up from right here and create a crease. This becomes your first wing. Turn the paper over and do the exact same thing with the other flap. Try to use the other wing as a reference point so that these flaps are nearly identical. Lift your flaps up and you have what looks like a plane. But there is one more step. As you can see right here, this is the fuselage. This is what you will hold when you throw the paper airplane. From the back of the fuselage, estimate about 1 inch out. We'll say about here. Take your scissors and cut from there, from that point, all the way up to where the flaps connect. This creates a little loop. Push this loop up. This loop will help maintain stability and balance while flying. Finally, we're ready to fly. Now when throwing this, you should have a good amount of pressure behind it. That's the only way it'll fly. At the same time, throwing it too hard will not work. It'll mess up its flight. A force of about this should be sufficient. I'd like to thank Squalia, who posted the video how to make a world record paper airplane glider on YouTube. I learned these paper airplanes from him. So by doing some simple folding, cutting, and creasing, we made this fun airplane from the scratch sheet of paper. Now you know how to make these wonderful paper airplanes. So the next time you're bored, you have nothing to do, you can make a paper airplane. Thank you.